I like it. Did you look at my telegram? I tried to give you something to lift your spirits up today, but I guess you didn't want to look at it. Well, I was trying to make it better. Yeah. Yeah. What the fuck is wrong with fucking people? What the fuck is wrong with you? I don't fucking know. Yeah, we'll do whatever you want, buddy. Yeah. That person wanted me to go when they had the right of way, and if I would have went, they probably would have went, and we would have crashed.